Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Niken Audrenda Putri, but you can call me Niken. I'm from Med Education C, Faculty Mathematics and Natural Science, Padang State University. This video is project English format from my lecturer Ma'am Vera. In this video, I will explain about derivative of algebraic function. I hope with this video we can understand more about the concept of derivative of algebraic function. And I also hope I get a good grade. Happy watching. Derivative of algebraic function. I divide this topic into 3 subtopics to make it easier for us to discuss it. The first topic is definition of derivative. What is derivative? Of course, this becomes the most important thing in this topic. Before we discuss feature more. The second one is general derivative function formulas and algebraic function derived formulas. So, in the search for a derivative letter, we can use 2 formulas. The first is the general formula and the second is special formula. And the last is example of algebraic function derived formulas. I made an example so that we more easily understand it. A. Definition of derivative. We go in first. What is definition of derivative? Derivative is a measurement of how the function changes with change in the input value. In general, derivative will state how a quantity changes due to change in other quantities. So, as we have mentioned earlier, the derivative function algebra is another function algebra from a previous function algebra. The derivative of a function f is another function we cite is f prime, whose value at any number x is f prime x equal lim h approach 0 f x plus h in bracket minus fx over h, as long as this limit exists not infinity or negative infinity. If the limit does exist, we say that f is differentiable at x. Finding a derivative is called differentiation. We get this concept from the tangent concept. With the same concept as this formula, we can determine the instantaneous velocity. They give different names for the same mathematical concept. Okay, next. B. General derivative function formulas and algebraic function derived formulas. To determine the derivative of algebraic function, we can do it in 2 ways. The first, with general algebraic function derivative formulas, and the second with special formula. It's up to you to use which depend on the question request. If there is not question request, more easy, in my opinion, we use a special formula. Because using a general formula requires more question than the special formula. Okay, we will discuss it one by one. First, we discuss about general formula. There are 3 types of general formula. Number 1, f prime x equal lim h approach 0 f x plus h in bracket minus fx over h. 2. F prime x equal lim c approach 0. Sorry, I'm wrong. F c plus h in bracket minus fc over h. 3. F prime x equal lim x approach c fx minus fc over x minus c. The second, we discuss about special formula. I divide into 9 parts. Number 1, if fx equals c in here is constant, then its derivative is 0. Whatever the number is, it will be 1,000 to million. If the function is a constant, the derivative is 0. Number 2, if fx equal x, then f prime x equal 1. We know that the variable x here is 1 rank, so derivative is 1. 3. If fx equal a times x rank n, then derivative is f prime x equal a times n times x rank n minus 1. Actually, point number 3 is the same as the concept number 2. X here rank 1 because it is lowered the 1 of the dash x rank minus become s rank 0. We know that whatever is rank 0, the result is 1. Then f prime x equal 1. Number 4. For example, there is a function constant and ux. So, if fx equal c times ux, the derivative is f prime x equal c u prime x. Only ux is verified. Number 5. For this form, just derive one by one as usual. If fx equal ux plus minus vx, then f prime x equal u prime x plus minus v prime x. Number 6. If there are multiplication of ux times vx, the derivative is f prime x equal u prime x times vx in bracket plus ux times v prime x in bracket. And 7. If there are multiplication of more than 2 functions, then we just need to solve using the formula in point number 1. 8. Formula for division of function. If fx equal ux over vx, f prime x is u prime x times vx minus ux times v prime x over v square x. 9. This named formula is the formula for the function inside the function. If fx equal u to the n x, f prime x equal n times u to the n minus 1 x times u prime x. Complete for the algebraic function formula. The n derivative of a function. So there is not only the first derivative. There is also the second derivative, the third derivative, and the nth derivative. We can write the derivative in the three notation. Column number 1 and 2 is a notation long range. We said is y prime f prime. Column number 3 and 4, this is notation Leibniz. We said is dy over dx. Column number 5 and 6 is a notation Euler. We said dxy. This is first derivative and the second derivative and the third derivative and the nth derivative. Last part, see example. Number 1. If fx equal x to the 5 plus x to the 4 plus 2 over 3 x to the 3 plus 2, the derivative is f prime x equal 5x to the 4 plus 4 to the 3 plus 2x squared. This is answer for this is question. Number 2. Fx equal x squared plus 2 in bracket times x plus 3 in bracket. So the derivative is, because they are multiplication of ux and vx, the derivative is u prime times v plus v prime times u equal 2x times x plus 3 in bracket plus 1 times x squared plus 2 in bracket equal 2x squared plus 6x plus x squared plus 2 equal 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. As well as the activities, the derivative for derivative division and derivative function in function. Well, that's the video discussion about the derivative function. I hope with this video we understand more about the concept of derivative of algebraic function. If there are wrong word or pronoun, I apologize. And thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.